Hey all, it's Tech with Krithi. With me, Krithi. Yes, in this video, we are getting to know about cloud computing. So, I'm damn sure I'm not going to bore you with the difficult blah 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 terms and very hard to understandable terminologies here. I'm going to make it more short and easier with the three real life scenarios. Yes, without a delay, let's get started to learn about cloud computing. So, let's take the first scenario, that is, I'm a computer. Imagine myself as a computer today. Yes, I'm a computer and I'm getting lot more works to do. But the thing is, I'm feeling lazier. Yes, instead of doing all the works by myself, I'm having one genie that provide me all the computing resources and power to get the job done. This is the first scenario. That is, instead of doing all the job by myself, a genie is helping me with the computing power and resources. Let's take this as a first scenario. And let's get into the next scenario. That is, having a contractor to build a home. Imagine I'm planning to build a big home. Yes, so I'm going for a contractor. So he will help me to do and get the job done. Instead of making me worry with the task and what to do next and hiring all the people to work on the jobs, and instead of buying machineries and equipments, he will be helping me. And the thing is, I'll be going for pay as I go. So what model I choose and what other things he'll be using, I pay for what it is. And let's get into the third scenario, that is a daycare. So imagine A as a mom and she thinks she's working in a firm and she wants her baby to take care and nurtured by a person. So she is going for a daycare center. So in daycare, they will be providing a safe and secure environment for that baby to play and also the management and maintenance of the things. So let's compare the three scenarios again. In first scenario, I'm getting the computing power and resources. In the second scenario, that is going for a contractor, I'm getting a pay as you go policy and I'm not worrying about the management, maintenance and buying, managing and owning of equipments and machineries. In third scenario, I'll be getting a safe and secure environment and management and maintenance from them. So, these are the things we are getting in cloud computing. So, let me explain now. Cloud computing is a on-demand delivery of services. As we said, so we'll be getting the services that is computing power and resources via internet from a person called cloud service provider. And also, it is pay as you go. For what we use, we are going to pay. And instead of buying, owning, managing and maintaining this service, the third person service provider is going to get all the things maintained by themselves. And in the third, I want to add one point, that is, they will be going to provide us a safe and secure environment to do things. So to make it very short, I'm trying to say that is cloud computing is like getting computing power and resources via internet from cloud service provider, and it is pay as you go. Instead of buying, owning, maintaining the servers, the third person cloud service providers will take care of that and we'll be getting a safe and secure environment from them. Yes, this is what cloud computing is. Yes, so here a question comes. What is cloud service provider? So I had said you three scenarios, right? In my first scenario, I'm a computer, a genie is helping me. That genie is a cloud service provider, is a service provider. And in the second scenario, I said contractor to build a home. In this scenario, contractor is a service provider. In third scenario, that is daycare. Of course, the daycare center service provider is going to be the service provider. So, likewise, the individual services provided by them. Likewise, a person who provides the cloud service as a thing that is called as cloud service providers. So I hope you all know the cloud service providers like GCP, Google Cloud Platform, Azure and AWS. That is about cloud computing. I hope you people are clear about cloud computing now. So if someone is asking you about what is cloud computing, so don't get mind of what to say, or you'll be getting into that blah 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 definition again for the thing. So you'll be easily getting into these three scenarios. One is of daycare, contractor, and genie. So to understand what is cloud computing, I hope this video has been more useful to you. For more videos, like, share, and subscribe us. This is Tech with Krithi, with me, Krithi.